I have with me the real Samosa Caucus, something that you've been waiting for a long time. You know, guys, wherever I travel in the country or outside, everybody wants to know just one question from me. When are you guys coming back on the show? So I'm so glad you're here. And of course, we got out from Delhi and its pollution and come here to Alwar. In Rajasthan. Behind me, you can see the lovely hills, and we are at the Kisroli Fort, managed by the Neemrana Hotels Group. So I have with me out here Anand Ranganathan, which all of you guys know. Anand Ranganathan, he's been on the show several times, and Anand Ranganathan, he is the Javed Akhtar of the Samosa Caucus.
Let me just rub my knees with the oil.
So, why do we call him the Javed Akhtar of the Samosa Caucus?
Because give the introductions to us.
Okay, so why is Anand Ranganathan the Javed Akhtar?
See, Anand, my friend Anand Ranganathan is both the last Nehru and the first Javed Akhtar. He's a Nehru because he's the last Englishman left in India who insists on wearing, suits and boots even in peak summer. Literally the last Englishman in India. And he is the Javed Akhtar of TV dialogues. Even Javed Akhtar and his lisp come nowhere close to our beloved Anand Ranganathan.
Because he's lyrical and has a take on every issue.
Yeah.
Amazing. And then we have Sushant Paji. Now, he is the Dharmender of our Samosa Caucus. He's like...
मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा.
And why do we say that? Because he is completely underrated in this Samosa Caucus group.
What are you talking about? I am supposed to introduce him.
Okay. No, why I chose him as...
पाकिस्तान में सिर्फ दो लोगों से डर लगता है पाकिस्तानियों को.
धुरंधर और
एक आसिफ मुनीर और एक सुशांत सरीन.
Yeah.
अच्छा आया तो धुरंधर.
ये इंट्रोडक्शन काफी.
Unknown gunman.
इसने इतने लोगों को कहा रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं.
So, I mean, why I call him the Dharmender is because he's like, he has everything Punjabi about him, like everything Punjabi, and he's like such a sweetheart when it comes to discussing and discussing Pakistan. Can say the nastiest of things about Pakistan, but with a grin, and which makes it palatable to everybody. I'm sure even
Not
in Pakistan.
To the Pakistanis.
I don't think the Pakistanis find him very palatable.
And then we have Tehseen Poonawala. He's the Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, and
I did the Dhurandhar dance in the Sarson Ka Khet.
And
So, sabki aaj
you have to watch that. You have to watch Tehseen in the Sarson Ka Khet doing
the Dhurandhar
stuff.
dance.
I'm supposed to introduce you.
Yes,
I she's
yes.
already
You're supposed to
introduced you as Amir Khan, all the Khans of the Bollywood. You are rolled into
आपको
one.
मेरे बारे में दो अच्छे शब्द बोलने की कोई दिक्कत है? Just speak nicely about me. See,
Speak nicely.
I had a lot of good things to say about you, but I'm overawed by your performance last night and your weeping on television because some people committed suicide. So I'm a
wasn't
little,
that?
I was very distraught after watching you.
Yeah,
But I
so
thought you
was
were
I.
being very disingenuous. But you're a very sweet guy otherwise.
I was very upset.
So, but you know, when Tehseen, when you first came on the Samosa Caucus, the comment section was, how does he fit into this group? You should have Shehzad out there. And I think that lasted for about 2 episodes of Samosa Caucus. And after that, everybody was like, never replace this guy from the Samosa Caucus. So, it's great to have you. And of course, Abhijit, the Kevin Spacey, the Joe Rogan.
Hello.
Everything that you can think about. I mean, of course, his Twitter
He's
feed.
the Nick Fuentes. He's the Nick Fuentes of...
No.
X-feed.
Galidas.
That was my introduction for you.
So, X-feed of Abhijit is not to be read by anybody under 18. Please, that comes with that health warning.
Abhijit is banned in Australia.
He's
After 18, it's bad.
love to hate him, hate to love him. It comes with all those advisories when he's a friend of yours. So you have to take him for whatever it is. He's not what most people think he is. And I'll leave Tehseen to introduce Abhijit.
So this is true. Just like Smita said, everywhere I go, they talk about the Samosa Caucus. But out of every 5 people who speak to me, 4 want me to call up Abhijit. And I've done that many times from a barista or simply somebody who's at a hotel and say they want to speak to him. Abhijit has a massive fan following. I'm not making this up. And people keep telling me he's the Galidas of our times. He is the Dhurandhar of Twitter and X.
Yeah.
Not to read if you're below 18.
गालियां देता ही है. इसकी एसोसिएशन में हमें गालियां
हमको
पड़ती हैं.
गालियां पड़ती हैं.
अभी मिली.
Exactly.
We are guilty by association.
Yes. और इस इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद और मिलने वाले हैं.
But let me introduce you now. You know, हम सबको गाली पड़ती है, but you know, you are very unfairly pilloried because he's a gentleman and a sensible person from the other side of the divide. And it's very seldom that you see sensible people on the other side of the divide.
अच्छा, ये
Once
ऐसा
in a
नहीं
while
होना।
you switch over, but otherwise, one of the most gentleman persons I've met.
Realistic
Really
take on everything.
and a very sweet guy.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.